Hi folks, welcome back. Hope you are doing well. So today we have a lecture number 4 of my trading strategy on gold and forex. In previous 3 lectures, I explained you what is the basic engulfing, valid and invalid engulfing, what is the mitigated and unmitigated engulfing. So basically this strategy, if you attach with this ICT, okay, concept ICT entry models, it will be a really good for your accuracy and really good for your trading career. So what is the basic engulfing strategy? So we will go with the start, so you will get to know. Very simple and very clear. Okay, this will be a very basic. After this video you can go and start doing back testing on it. You will get to know about this strategy. Okay, the first thing is the first rule is this should be a valid, means the second candle should be closed above of this area, is become a valid. Okay, now the second rule to become a more accurate this engulfing, the third candle or fourth candle should not touch this area by their wick or by their body to become are more accurate. If it's become a monthly, weekly, no problem. If like a lower time frame, then it will be a little bit less accurate. Okay, so now what is the here the main thing? Then you will wait for an experiment. What does it mean by the experiment? Means at least 10 to 15 candles should go above of this area. When it come back, it will give you around from 50 to 150 200 pips from this area. Now your duty is to go and check. I will also show you the example. So let me explain again that first your engulfing should be a valid, then second should not touch this area. If it touch, it become a less accurate. If it's from higher time frame, no problem. If it's from lower time frame, it will be less accurate. Then you will wait for the experiment. Experiment mean a price action. When price is going like straight forward or it's going above, so then you wait for that experiment. It can be for a minimum 10, at least 10 candle, 8 to 10 candles, okay, minimum. Then once it's come back here, then you start entering on 3 position. First in the top, second your entry will be in the middle, third entry will be your in the last. Okay, and from here 20 pips below your SL. From this area 20 pips, 30 pips is up to you. Now the thing is why we should enter here the ICT. ICT is because here you can go to the lower time frame, because probably this will be a 4 hour or 1 hour engulfing. Then you should go here 5 minutes or 1 minute and wait for the ICT entry model like market structure shift, inversion, breaker, fair value gap. That will make your high valuable trading area. Okay, now let me show you the for a bearish scenario. We have this bearish candle, okay, and then we have a bearish scenario here. Okay, we have week also. Okay, you will mark this area. Okay, and then what you have to do, you have to wait for an experiment. Okay, and once it's reached to this area, you will start positioning. Like your first entry will be on the beginning, second will be in the middle, third will be in the last, and 20 pips above your SL. Now you have to only go and watch, back test this strategy. I will show you a very few example here, so you will get to know. Okay, very example we have here engulfings. Okay, the basic engulfing is here. Okay, inside this one is also engulfing. What is that? That will be I explain in the coming video. The basic one here, the first candle, then these candle become make it valid. Then after that, no any candle touch this area, right? Then it will become experiment 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, So once it's reached here, then you shift to the lower time frame and you start trading here. So the area of the main focus of this strategy to identify the high probability POIs. Now the most difficult point to people to identify the POI. So this is the POI. Which order block we should trust? Always you ask. Here I give you a strategy. Now you understand. Now your duty is you have to go and watch this area. Okay. Either so it's touch, okay, become mitigated, but it gives you a reaction, isn't it? It's give you a reaction, right? It will give you a reaction, then you use only the ICT. Okay, this is the green candle, right? Okay, and then this one make it valid. Okay, no unmitigated, experiment, and then come and give your reaction. Again give your reaction, because this is 4 hour. In daily you will see multiple time it will touch your area. Okay, sometime the experiment will be less also, but it will. Why I give you 20 pips stop loss? Because sometime it's go below of your area as well, like here this candle black, then this may come a valid one, it's come experiment, come to area and give your reaction. That's why you need ICT here to wait for your confirmation and then to the entry. Understand? I hope you learned something from this in this video. This will be a very less you will find in the YouTube because this strategy is very rare. And if you now I give you a how to identify a high probability POIs. You can see that by this strategy you can find the high probability POIs. Only thing you need now to enter the ICT strategy with that thing. Okay, so if you don't have any instant fund account, you will get the link in the description. Make sure you join from there. Until next time, be safe.